Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I'm here to explain Cambridge IGCSE 2022 February-March Paper 21 Data Production part. So in this part of the question paper, as they mentioned, you will need to have the candidate source files. So I have them already in one of my folder. Here it is. All my files are here in this folder. Then next, you need to start with task 1 to create an evidence document. So I'm going to create one evidence document. Here they ask us to open the file M2221 evidence.rtf. So we'll open the file called evidence.rtf. Here you go. Then next step is to make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. They did not mention either in header or in footer, but we should have these details. So click on insert, header, and I always prefer to use blank 3 columns. So here I'm going to type my name, here my center number, and here my candidate number. Close. And now we need to save this document in your work area as M2221 evidence followed by your candidate number, for example like this, and you will need this document later on for the screenshots to be saved in. So file, save as, browse. I will just save everything in the desktop and at the folder of March 2022 and 21, and I will call this document as with my candidate number as they have mentioned. Done. Just click on save. So the document is saved into the evidence into the folder. Now next step, what we need to do is we just need to start with the task 2, which is our main document. So here they said you are going to edit a document for a company. The company uses a corporate house style for all its documents. Paragraph style must be created, modified, and applied as instructed. So open the file M2221 storage.rtf. So we'll open the file M2221 storage.rtf. Next step is to the page setup is set to A4 portrait 2 cm. Do not make any changes to it. So let us check if everything is accordingly or not. So layout, and then click on page setup. So we will know that everything is portrait and everything is okay. Next step, 3 paragraph style have already been created. Do not make any changes to these unless instructed. So some styles are already created. So save the document in your work area in the format of the software you are using with the file name upgrade. So we'll just click here, file, save as, into the same folder with the name upgrade, and it is going to be a Word document. Save. Next step, take a screenshot to show this file have been saved, including evidence of the file type. Place this into your evidence document as screenshot 1. So here it is with the document file type and with the name. Just click on print screen and this is going to be your evidence 1. Now crop it just to show the details, just like this. So the file is already saved with the file type. That's it. Now remove any preset page breaks in the document. So go back to the document, click on Home and click on Page Break. So when you click on Page Break, if there is anything, you just need to delete them. Like here we have a page break. So you just delete it. This one should be removed. Yes. Now there is no page break available. Everything is fine. So just click on normal. So everything is done. Next step is to place in the header your name, center number and candidate number right align. So we'll just click here, insert a header, and then at the right side we will include our name, center number and candidate number, just like that. And then next step is to place in the footer automated page number center align. So we'll remove this one, not required anything else here. And now we'll go to the footer here. So footer, in the center we will include the page number. So click on page number, current position, and then choose plain or any other format. So just delete these two, click on close and read the next instructions. The header is right align, it is done. The footer is center align between the page margins, it is done. No other placeholders, so we have already deleted. And header and footer displayed on every page. Yes, it is displayed on every page of the document. Next step is to create the following paragraph style basing it on the default paragraph style. So we just need to create one with the name HD title. So we just click here, then create a style and we will name it HD title, modify, and then not based on body, based on default, or you can just simply say no style. So normal, or just choose here default normal. That's it. And now follow the instructions. We need serif font with 28 point size. Serif is Times New Roman and it should be 28 points. So you just select from here 28, and next we need to do what? Center align, bold and italic. Center align, bold, italic, and should be single line spacing. Format, paragraph, line spacing, single, and then there is no space before and after the document. So we'll do that. Zero spacing before and after. Just click on OK. Okay, a style is created. So after this all, what we need to do is we just need to take a screenshot evidence to show the setting of the HD paragraph style, the one you created just now. So right click, modify, and take a screenshot of this one and then just place it into your evidence document as evidence 2. Now format, crop it so that you have only the style with all the information. so all the details can be read easily now. Next step is, at the start of the document you need to enter a title. Upgrade your data storage. So just go to the top of the document here, and we need to apply the HD title style to it as they mentioned. Then select the subheading which drive work for you and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending a slimmer drive in a 9.5 millimeter space. So what we need to do is we need to select the data from here, which drive work for you, and then we will move till the point as they mentioned, this one, and then we need to select this all and then change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in two columns of equal width with a 1.5 centimeter space between them. So we just click on layout, columns, more columns, 2 with 1.5 centimeter space between them. That's it. Next step is to select apply the bullet to the text from mechanical hard drive to SSDs. So mechanical hard drives to SSDs, these two, and you should apply to it a square bullet. So home and then a square bullet, just like that, and then the bullet are indented by 1.5 centimeter from the left margin. So select and right click, paragraph, and then from the left side as they have mentioned 1.5. Done. Then you need to have the list is in a single line spacing, there is no space after and before. So paragraph and then single line spacing, there is no space after and before, but there is 6-point space after the last item. Just right click here, paragraph, and then there is 6-point gap space, fine. The paragraph style HD subhead has already been created and applied to the 6 subheadings. Modify the HD subhead paragraph style so only the formatting, the one we have, going to be applied. So subhead is here, just click outside the area and right click, modify this one, and you should modify accordingly with 12-point serif font. So 12-point serif font, which is Times New Roman, and then we want this one to be center align and italic. There is no bold, only italic, center align, and it is going to be bold and italic, no underline, and it should be all capital. So format paragraph, click on format, font, and then change it to all caps. That's all. Click on OK and it is done. Now this is how it look like, all the subheadings that we have. This is how it look like. Fine. Next step is to do what? There is single line spacing, and before and after there is 9-point space. So let's go and right click, modify this one. It should be single line spacing, and there is no space before, but after there is 9-point space as they have mentioned. Just click on OK. Okay, so now this is how it looked like. Everything is arranged. Moving forward, take a screenshot of evidence how you modified the HD subheading style. So just right click, modify, and take screenshot of this. Click on OK. This is your evidence 3. So just modify and crop it. This is how it looked like. Next step is to place a text box at the top of the paragraph that start "if you can physically upgrade." So you need to go to that paragraph as they mention. Yes, if you can physically upgrade. Just here, insert a text box. Simple text box. Now, align the text box to the top of the paragraph and the right margin of the document. So we'll move this one towards right of this paragraph and to the margins, just like that. That's it. And then wrap the text to make sure there is no text hidden behind the text box, so everything is clearly visible here. Now you need to do what? Locate the file M2221 extra.txt and place the content of this file into your text box. So we have this text document. Open this text document and select all the text from it, copy from here, and then just paste it into this text box. That's it. And then format this text as HD body paragraph and make it bold. So just select this one and home, apply the body style to it and just make it bold. And then make sure that all the text is visible and words are not split over line in the text box. Format the text box with a light gray background and a 3 to 4 point thick line. So just click this one and fill it with the gray color, and the percentage is not light gray color, so we just fill it with a light gray color. It's like that. And the border of this is going to be 3 to 4 point as they have mentioned. So we select this one. Okay, so around the text of the paragraph that we have, click on OK. That's all. Just click on this text property and format. You can even change the outline shape, their weight 3 point or something like this. As they have mentioned, 3 to 4 point, that's enough. So now it is going to look like this. Yes, it is. Moving forward, locate the table in the document. Set 1 point black internal and external border. So there is a table already here. Just click here and get all the borders of it, and the width of these borders I'm going to change it to only normal, just like that. This is your table. And then set 1 point internal and external border. So the border is going to be 1 point internal and external. This is how it will be. Delete the entire column and content with heading notes. So here is the heading. Select this one and then right click, just select this one and then entire, delete the column, delete it. Then apply the HG heading style to it. Select this one and HG style is applied. Then next, set the table width to 15 centimeters. So just right click and then go to table properties and preferred width, just mention here 15 centimeter. Then okay, this is how it is. And next step is to center the table within the margin. So select the table, okay, and then center align. This is how it is, center align. And then next step is to make sure no words is text wrap and all the grid line visible. So if there is any text wrap, just try to manage them, otherwise that's fine. This is how it will look like. You can just decrease, or that's fine. And then moving forward to the next step, import the image M2221 ssd.jpg and place it in the paragraph beginning. The M.2 format is effectively. So we need to insert the image now. M effectively, yes, just here, and it should be format. Let us just insert the image first. Insert the picture and we'll go to desktop. We'll select the picture. Once the picture is inserted, follow the next steps. Rotate the image to 180 degrees. So you just simply rotate and then more rotation and just mention here 180 degrees. It is rotated. Next step, format the image so it is resized to half of the column width with its aspect ratio. So half of the column width. So right now, if we just simply adjust it to the half of the column width, that will be fine, just like this. Then it is aligned to the right of the column at the top of the starting paragraph. So right click, text wrap, square to the right. So we'll just go towards the right, just like that. And next step is to text wrap around the image, which is done. Now you need to spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that the list and the table are not split over the column or images. There is no window orphan, there is no page break, no blank pages, and all the paragraph is consistent. And then you have to save this one. So I will save this one, but before this I need to select this paragraph, yes, and I need to apply the body style to it, so it will look like the rest of the document, exactly like this. And that's all from the Word document, I guess. So hope you have learned about document formatting in this video. Soon you will get the video for database as well. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.